Hello, welcome to this tutorial on how to add a Dialogflow chatbot in WhatsApp. For this, you will need a Dialogflow account. If you don't have one, you'll need to create one on Google's Dialogflow CX console. Unless you want more advanced capabilities like sentiment analysis, the service is free. The next is a Communicate account. You can sign up for absolutely free using the link in the description. Before integrating Dialogflow CX with Communicate, make sure you've created a project for Dialogflow CX agent in the Dialogflow CX console. The Dialogflow API must then be enabled for your project, and a service account key must be generated. Let's do it one by one now. Open the Dialogflow CX console and either create a new project or select an existing one. We will create a new project for this tutorial and name it DF WhatsApp. Once the project is created, we need to enable the Dialogflow API. For this, go to the API and Services tab in Google Cloud Console. Click on the Enable APIs and Services button here. Here we have to select the Dialogflow API. Let's enable it. Now, let's go back to our Dialogflow CX project dashboard. We need to create an agent for this tutorial. For this tutorial, I am going to use a pre-built agent. We will select the Smalltalk agent and import it. Now the agent it created. Go to the agent settings. Click on Share. Here, select the service account. Now it goes to the Google Cloud Console. Select service accounts here. Let's create a new one. We will name it DF_WhatsApp. You can specify the role and click on Done. Click on the account now and go to Keys. We need to create a key now. Select Add Key and click on Create New Key. JSON is selected and click on Create. Now the private key is stored on your computer. We need to copy the agent ID of the project from our Dialogflow CX console. Here is the agent. Click on the three dots and select Copy Name. We will go to the Communicate dashboard now. Go to the Integrations tab and select Dialogflow CX. Paste the copied agent ID here. And upload the JSON file that you downloaded here. Make sure you are specifying the locations and agent ID correctly. Click on Save and Proceed. Now the Dialogflow bot is integrated with Communicate. Next, we have to connect Communicate and 360 Dialog for WhatsApp integration. 360 Dialog is an API provider that directly integrates with WhatsApp. Communicate has partnered with 360 Dialog to provide customers with an easy-to-use WhatsApp integration, and it provides businesses with purchase phone numbers and WhatsApp official API accounts. Here are the steps for creating WhatsApp API. To connect your WhatsApp number to Communicate, fill out the form shown for which the link is also given in the description, and send an email to support@communicate.io with the requested information such as WhatsApp number, Dialog 360 API key, account namespace, your Communicate account app_ID. When the Communicate support team receives the information, they will assist you in connecting your WhatsApp number to your account. Congrats! Once the setup is complete, any messages sent to your 360 Dialog WhatsApp number will now be received in your Communicate dashboard. Please do like the video and subscribe.